I just installed this first alert smoking carbon monoxide alarm, and I did the test, pushed the button, gave me the test announcement. So the batteries are incorrect, are inside correctly. And so I'm going to test it here with these matches. And I'll try and strike them on this thing, which I'll do right now. There they go. So I want to see if it goes off. I don't know if it will or not. You would think it would. And the instruction manual said it's very loud when it goes off. And the test alarm voice was very loud. Not going off. Huh. Well, I guess there's a threshold. Maybe the smoke will make it go off. Smoke doesn't make it go off. Well, maybe it takes a lot more smoke to make it go off. I'm surprised. Other smoke alarms have gone off with just one match. Maybe I'll try this this lighter here. Must be running out of gas. You would think heat or something would make it go off. Guess you need more smoke. Well, what can I say? I guess I could try cooking and burning something in the kitchen around the corner. But it's not going off. You would think it would. Well, I hate this. I don't want to start a bigger fire. Okay. I can't seem to test it. Okay, I'm back. I have a paper towel cardboard roll from the inside of the paper towel roll, and I have a metal bucket and a couple fire extinguishers ready. So I think I'm going to experiment here, see if I can start this cardboard on fire, which I did. So, boy, if this doesn't set it off, I might have to put the old fire alarm back in, because you would think it's starting to get a little bigger now. There should be some smoke coming out of the tube. Wow, look at that. That fire alarm's not going off. And it should be going off by now. Jesus. Hello? Fire alarm not going off. Not going off. That should go off. Well, I'm going to put it in a bucket. And there's smoke. There's smoke coming out of the bucket. And that's not coming off. That alarm is not going off. I would say this first alert fire smoking CO alarm is not working too well. And it's out. The fire's out. And if I push this button, I'm going to test it with a button. Okay, so it's testing, but it's not working by the smoke. So I would say I would say evacuate, I guess. I would say not to. I would say.
Warning, evacuate carbon monoxide, evacuate. Highest carbon monoxide level was 55 ppm. Please see manual. To clear highest carbon monoxide level, press and hold test button now.
Okay, to clear carbon monoxide level, test and hold test button. Okay. So I'm testing it. Okay, test and hold. Huh. It's pretty loud. And I'm standing back a little.
Warning, evacuate smoke, evacuate.
Well, the test button.
Warning, evacuate carbon monoxide, evacuate. Highest carbon monoxide level was 55 ppm. Please see manual. To clear highest carbon monoxide level, press and hold test button now.
Okay, so to clear, press and hold. I did that. You still smell smoky in this hallway. The fire from the cardboard tube is out. Fire extinguisher is standing by. This fire extinguisher, the test button works. So if you want a fire alarm whose test button works, this is it. But if you want a smoke alarm that goes off when there's smoke, this is not it. So I would say this failed my test. Okay, that's it. Okay, so I'm back again, and I put the old unit back in. I had the new unit in there, and this is the older, also a first alert alarm, but it's just a smoke alarm. And I tested this twice with matches. It did not go off either. Let's see, I'll test it again. These matches are not, there they go. There the matches are working. Okay, so I did this twice before, and this is the third time. Lit 3 matches, let it burn a little while, I blow it out, it gives smoke. This alarm's not going off either. But this alarm has gone off in the past when I've cooked things on the stove and burned them, and it has gone off. And this I bought in November 2023, so it's not even a year old. And it's supposed to be good for 7 or 10 years. So blow it out, get a little smoke there. Not too much smoke. But just that combustion I thought would set it off, but I'm wrong. It must have some levels set where you have to have a lot of smoke beyond the level of just a match. So maybe the other one, the first alert smoke and seal alarm is okay. So it's a question mark for me. I'm not sure why this one's not going off with a match. So I guess maybe they just don't go off so easily as they used to, because I used to test them with a match. Okay, over and out.